guys, before we get here, there's no welcome up to the channel. Before I get started, make sure to subscribe and hit like. Now, so I think this started today. Continuing the fidget haul from my work. You better like this video because I had to go to 2 different works. One was over 30 minutes away. One was like an hour away or something. But then we did get some fish and chips and stuff. Well, no, we didn't get fish and chips. I got chicken nuggets and chips and beans. But anyway, so let's get started. So these magnetic rings have been looking really everywhere. So I finally found some in the works. And it's like you can do anything with them. You can literally just go like that. I'm gonna put them on my fingers. And I might not post on Thursday, or I might post a lot because me and Donut are going to Honeysuckle Farm. So it's really cool, these magnetic rings, but you can't do much with them because these things are only just a certain amount of space. So the next things I got are also things I've been looking for everywhere and I have not been able to find. Squitters! I love these squitters. These squares like so cool. Also look right here. You can see that actually like crawls down. I'll do it like right here so you guys can see it. It crawls down. These squitters are super cool because they actually don't feel like spiders in your hands, but they stick together really well. And then their spikes slowly come out. It does feel like a spider if you have one in your hand, but squeeze them all together. It's like a generating ball. So it's really cool. And the next thing that I got aren't fidgets, they're just these black light pens. Look, where you write something with visible ink and use a black light to protect it. And the next thing that also isn't a fidget is these hot glue sticks. Then I got this classic tangle. Plastic tangles are actually like really nice. I think they're better than my textured tangle, but who knows? I haven't seen my textured tangle here. Oh wait, sorry. This one's really cool because it's a lot stiffer, and also I went to a place after and I put it in the sand, and put your tangle in the sand and then cover it up a little bit. Press it down, then cover it up with sand. Oh, it's so good. It like, you go like that and it goes. It just makes a cracking sound. So nice. And last thing that I got is this like sand dog. This didn't actually come in a packaging, so. I love it. Oh my god, the dog. I feel so sorry for that dog. You do that and then it comes back to life. I don't know which one I love the most. The tangle, the sand dog, the squitters, the magnet rings, all these. Definitely not the hot glue sticks because, I mean, I have a hot glue gun but it's not here right now so I can't even use them yet. But I love all these fidgets that I got today. They kept the little thing that they came in because they came in like that. So I kept it this and I can like use it as a little ball to like put them in. And these are really cool because if you look at them, their arms like stick out after you've put them together. So really cool. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!